Good afternoon, welcome to Western Honda Stirling. This afternoon I want to show you the all-new Jazz Crosstar. It's a fabulous new model from Honda, which incorporates a very clean 1.5 hybrid engine. As you can see, the Jazz Crosstar, you can get it in a two-tone option. This one is the premium sunlight white with the black trim. As with all Jazzes, it still retains the legendary magic seats for comfort and versatility. Tons of space as you'd expect, plus the flexibility. It's got a good sized boot, as you'd expect. If you've had a Jazz previously, you'll know that with the magic seats, they all fold flat as well. Not only is the Jazz bursting with technology in terms of the new engine available, safety is really important. Honda have worked really hard. Now when you sit in the driver's seat, you can see we've got extra thin pillars that improve your visibility. Car also has 10 airbags. This particular model has keyless entry, satellite navigation, all for your convenience as well. If you'd like some more information on the Jazz Crosstar or the new Jazz, whether you want a part exchange valuation or a finance quotation, please give us a call on 01786 234 200. We'd be delighted to help you. Thank you.